Hi guys, this is our third day and our last day of our short trip in Hiroshima. We woke up late that day actually. We only had about 3 hours to spend before we go home. So from our accommodation, we only took a bus going to Hiroshima Bus Center, and from there we left our bag in the locker and we paid around 400 yen. So we just walked from the bus center to Atomic Bomb Dome and to Hiroshima Memorial Park. So those places are very close to each other and they're just walking distance. So yeah, nag-walking rami dere. As you can see, the sky is very clear. Very nice ang weather, no? But actually, grabe ka init jud anang adlaw. Sunscreen is a must jud. Anyway, still grateful that the weather was good that day. The place was so peaceful and very lapad ni siya nga park actually. And very nice. You could spend your whole day here if if you're that someone who likes just spending some time in a very peaceful place and near sa nature char. So yeah. And this park was where na drop Judang bomb. So yeah, imagine how big it was. So nag-walking rami dire, enjoying the view. And while naminaw sa mga cicadas, mga semi, mao dyan na ang tingog sa ano. And look at that view. I thought sa books rin ako makita na view kato siya. And then after that, nakita ko ang Bell of Peace. Grabe sa mga YouTuber ako ni makita na Bell of Peace. So I head straight there para matry na ko og ring ang bell. Char, ring ang bell. I-bell ang ring. Unsa man jud. Kamo nang bahala. Para mag ano sa ta, para nasa tay peace of mind. Char, peace. So yeah.
The peace
So
bell
basahan
is
ninyo
very
guys na
precious.
Japanese na English. So kamo na bahala asa mo comfortable mo basa.
The peace bell.
Okay, napadiri.
Bell of
Napadiha. Okay. Sorry, ang English ra akong na-videohan, no? Kay murag di man carry bells ang Japanese, oy. Di jud carry bells ibasa ang kuan. Kay murag ang mga kanji diha, ang uban yumenay. And then, mo na to siya, no?
Let's go.
Ninisaka
And
na ko diha.
bell of peace.
Nag-feel dyan na to ang moment. Oh my God. My God, sa mga YouTuber, dyan ko ni makita ng mga videos ngayon. And I'm so glad na abot ko din napita, no? And also, especially sa Atomic Bomb Dome na I thought sa books ko lang makita. So, yeah. Wadyo ko nag-expect maabot ko din napita, no? So, i-bell na ang ring day. Ay, nasige ko anday.
So what? 1945. So what? 1945 August 6 to 1946.
Okay, so this time, ni-join na akong friend. So, shout out kay Dai Ems. So, she's my friend from Fukuoka pa na siya. Then, nag-meet lang mi diha sa Hiroshima. So, story time. Upat niya na nga, nagsabot na wala og Hiroshima, no? So, ang duha, wala naka kuan sa ilahang leave nga request, wala na approvean. So mo to kami na lang duha diha. Upat unta mi dihang magsigting kagol anang bell. Upat unta mi dihang magsigpatingog anang nga bell, no. Shout out kay Mimay and Daywing. sila tong duha ang wala nakakuyog na mo diha. So upat unta mi diha ani nga trip na sa Hiroshima. So but it's okay, lingaw raman pod na kami duhang DMs. Actually saba mga kayo ni. Basta mga bisdak magtipok yung bisdak, mga sabaan jud.
Dito guro to ko yung grabe lapad kayo ni park. Peace Memorial Park. Yes. Oy, sorry po. Sorry po, kabayan. Kabayan. Init. There is the
Okay, so nag-continue rami diha og walking no diha sa park. It's very big na park gyud. And then nakita mi diha o bell gihapon na siya, pero I think para sa mga bata. If wala ko na sayo. So just correct me if I'm wrong. Parang ano sa na siya, murag for children. Na siya na bell. I think. Not really sure. And then ito siya. Igo rin ako gi-capture to na scene, and then nagwalk na mi padong sa Peace Memorial Museum. So yeah, nice kayo ang mga landscape, guys. Look at that, very big kayo ang ano. I don't know if mas nice ni siya if autumn, pero nice naman siya tan-awon kung summer. Look at that. And this is what they call the flame of peace. And according to peace/tourism.com, guys, kung gi-check, this was designed both to console the souls of the thousands who died begging for water and to express the hopes for the abolition of nuclear weapons and the realization of lasting world peace. So the flame at the top was lit on August 1, 1964 and has been burning ever since in protest of nuclear weapons and will continue to burn until there are no nuclear weapons left on Earth. Wow, so what din siya napaong? What to siya napaong na flame? Amazing. That was amazing. So, again, nag-walking na mi papunta or padong sa jud Tagalog or Bisaya or English. Padong sa Peace Memorial Museum. And then we saw this very nice, very spacious na lugar. And
grabe ka.
fountain.
Kuan. Kapag ka ang space, guys. Dili ka.
Naganauna jud ko diri if pwede ba mo landing ang airplane diri ay. Kay lapad kayo siya, promise. Pwede siya mo landing ang airplane siguro di or ang helicopter. Oh, sumoto siya, no. Oh, nalingaw kay ko diha sa fountain. Kaya nakuan siya sa hangin. O, diba? Lipay ka akong inner child diha. Tapos na picture mi diha. Picture. Then na-amaze lang ko sa lugar. Then ako pang gi-chase diha ang tubig. Murad ko ko'y bote. Feeling bata. And then, humana din na picture mi diha. And then, isod na dayon mi sa Peace Memorial Museum. We're not so sure if allowed mag-take a video or picture, but we took some, few pictures there inside because ang uban na pictures man po. So, I think pwede raman siguro. I'm not so sure though. Pero gamay ra mong take pictures. So mo na siya ang Hiroshima before the bombing and after the bombing. Nga pagsud nimo diha sa museum no kay dako pa man day kay ni siya. Daghan pag mga exhibit bitaw. And then medyo nag-regret me because we only have like less than an hour mi diha. And then sana medyo mas marami pang oras sana kami pumunta dyan para malibot yun namin tanan-tanan. So, moto siya. After diri, nanguli na dayon mi because nag-apas mi sa oras sa among bus. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.